In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit margins on the Google Docs website. So first of all, all you need to do, just go and open one of your browsers that you are using on your PC. Of course, whatever working for you will be great, or whatever you're using will be great. And once you open this, go to the URL section and type Google Docs. And of course, once you do that, hit the enter button and you will need to go now to the first link. Once you click on the first link, you will find this page ahead of you. And of course, from here, you'd like to sign in into your account from the top right corner option if you have an account. But if you don't, you will need to go here and click at sign up for free to create an account, as we said, if you don't have it. So once you did one of those options, you will find yourself here, actually not here, you will find yourself here with this home page or this main screen. And as we said in the beginning of the video, we would like to edit some margins on the Google Docs website. So if you want to do that, first of all, we would like to create a new blank project or document if you want. Of course, you can choose any of their templates if you want as well. There are a lot of ones and some decent ones actually. Or you can just even go and open some of your recent products or documents. I'm just going to open my recent documents, which is actually like empty. So anyway, as we said, we would like to edit margins. So what we'd like to do is just go and click at file at the top left corner. As you can see, now we would like to click at page setup here. Make sure to click on it. And as you can see, once you are here, now you can change each margin by clicking a box and type in a new measurement. So just go here as an example, right, 0.5, here maybe 0.25, here let's it like 2, and here 2 as well. And now hit the OK button, and as you can see, the margins has changed. So now when you write like something, as you can see, the margins are not like usual. So this was actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.